You can get a lead nurturing automation system for your cleaning and restoration company. Today we're going to talk about restoration. We have other cleaning examples that we'll show you in another video. But today we're going to talk about restoration and how you can use this automation system to get prospects more interested in your company and to trust your brand, as well as referral sources like flooring retailers, realtors, adjusters, insurance people, plumbers, to be able to set your brand and your company up as the expert, but as well as a lead magnet on your website. Maybe you're running Google Ads or SEO. Somebody comes to your website. They're wondering, what do I do? I have a water problem. You can set yourself up as the professional by educating them with the report that I'm going to show you in just a minute, followed by these emails. So let's jump right in. I'll show you some of these. So we've got several emails, 12 already, that we're about to put up into the system to where they're automatically done for you. I'll show you how that works in just a second. But look at the different subjects. Before you file a water damage claim, read this. And it's got basic information about that we already know, in the industry, but here's how water damage works. People don't know this stuff. So you're setting yourself up as the educational professional. You're letting them know what they need to do immediately, how important it is to avoid mold growth and to get somebody out to take care of the problem right away, why do it yourself is dangerous and could be more costly, the dangers of mold, how to prevent water damage, how to choose the right water damage company, signs that sometimes water damage is missed, maybe if they've had somebody else that doesn't know what they're doing, which again promotes you being called more than anything else, the danger of mold in back of the wall, etc., etc. We won't really take the time to go over all of the emails, but you kind of get the idea. What happens with mold, the dangers, what causes water damage, musty odors, all of these type of subjects. And so we've got all of these uploaded into our software. Everybody that's part of my coaching club or that I'm doing SEO for has access to this software. And basically all of the emails are totally done for you if you want to use them inside of the software. Now, if you want to copy and paste all the information into your own email platform, that's fine too, but this is easier. So your logo's already there. There's a placeholder for your company phone number. You don't have to put it in each email. You put it in once and it's done. We actually put it in for you. Your website, your referral program, all of that, your booking link, if you want to have a separate one of those, logo, all of that is totally set. If you want to make any changes, all you got to do is come in and change it to whatever you want to change it to, right? And make the changes. The company, the client's name is already there. So all of it's done to where all you have to do is schedule it to send out, or send it out today or the day that you actually want to send it out. So all of them are already set here, as well as several dozen, if not even maybe 50 different cleaning related emails, to where all you have to do is look it over and schedule them to send out. Now, what I recommend that you do on your website is have a report. This is a report that I wrote that goes right along with all of these emails, the same type of themes, the same type of statements in just an educational report. This is what people are wondering about when they have a water problem. Before you file a water damage claim, read this first. They're wondering what to do. They're freaking out. It walks them through even the heartfelt sense of they're freaking out over, why do I have water damage inside of my home? And you are setting yourself as a professional because you're educating them on what to do in this report. So the best thing that I highly recommend that you do is you put a reason to have them opt into your email newsletter. So what happens is, like ServPro, I looked over the local ServPro site. They don't really have a report like that. A couple of other companies that I've looked at do, but not hardly any restoration company does. And so what happens is somebody goes to your site and they're first wondering, like, what do I do? When you have a report about here's what you do, it walks them through the process, totally sets you up as the professional. So you can have a form on your site similar to this, or it could be smaller than this. It could only be name and email, or email and phone number if you want. But basically they fill out the form and you can have it set up to where it automatically emails them the report. And then it also sends them that entire series of email newsletters, one after the other, every couple of days, every week, however you want to schedule it. But you are being known as the professional. You're the educator, you're the professional, and that's what that's all about. So I highly recommend that you do that. Add it to your website, educate people, collect phone numbers, collect emails, to be able to send them the email newsletters. You can also turn some of these emails easily into a short text. We're probably going to do that with some of them in the near future because you don't want to say as much stuff inside of the text. You want to say something really, really short, and you don't want to text as often if you do get the phone number from the client. But I highly, highly recommend that you do this if you do water damage restoration. We've got a streamlined platform to be able to help you do that. Coaching club members get access to the software for free and all of the emails. Click the link below this video. If you only want the restoration package with all of the emails and the lead nurturing report, you can also get that too below this video. If you need help also hooking all of this up on your website, we do that. We can actually put the opt-in form on your website. We can put the lead magnet opt-in for this report. We would probably use one of these banners on your website and then entice them to actually opt in. It really, really helps conversions, things like this, and it also helps to collect emails and phone numbers. That way you can contact them later if they do indeed have a water damage emergency. You will be the one that they use. Click the link below this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to help you grow your cleaning and restoration company.